Hello mga bay, good day to everybody and welcome back to my channel again. Here we go mga bay. I have already the scope. This is the Vortex Diamondback, and all of these things are my first time, and before I bought this into the, so we're going to unbox this one. What's there inside? All right, let's go. Yeah, here. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Here for me. So I don't know how to mount this into my rifle. But guy there in the store, he told me that I'm going to bring back this scope and my gun tomorrow, and those guys going to mount this into my gun with a free, no charge. It's free charge at all. Alright, but this is the one that I have. And yeah, after this we're going to try into the firing range how it works. Alright. And mga bay, here is our gun. The rifle scope is mounted already by the Kabilas. It's free service. So here we go. And then mga bay, I have this scope is a Vortex Diamondback HP 416x42. I have no idea about this because all of these things for me are new, so maybe we're gonna ask more about this kind of things here. So let's go. It's ready to test fire into the firing range. It's safe, very safe mga bay. So I have additional something here. I have the bipod here. So all right, so we're gonna put this bipod. This is temporary, permanent maybe. And yeah, all right, how this is going to work? Maybe like that. Okay, yeah, this one. We're gonna put that here. Alright, I think it's fit already. Let's go. What do you think mga bay? See? Alright. This is no loaded, unloaded. It's very safe. All right. Maybe I need to have a schedule for the test firing, or to zero the target for this one into the firing range. Alright. So mga bay, our gun is ready to test fire into the firing range. And please mga bay, help me to hit 1,000 subscribers. If you do that mga bay, I'm very much appreciated. Thank you for watching mga bay, and thanks all your support. Bye bye. See you in the firing range. Let's go.